Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WAFU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on it. Unfortunately, it was a pretty rough day. I'm not going to call the entire chart destroyed, but yeah, and that's also a matter of perspective. I mean, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought there or there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, I mean, well, you shouldn't even still be in the stock. What's going on with your stop loss? But that's a whole nother video. Point here being, I realize that I could sound crazy, saying some things, but that's all a matter of perspective. But from the general scheme of things, yeah, things are looking very rough. I mean, to think that the price gapped up right here, then the price ran up there, and then just rolled all the way back over. Definitely a pretty bearish chart, but the reason why I'm not going to say that everything's totally destroyed is the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base, which is why in my mind, this level down here at $2.25 is very important, because if the price can at least stay above $2.25, so if it comes down here, bounces around a little bit more before working its way back upwards, at least at that point, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of these as stair steps, well, at that point, you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, which is what you want to see from the grand scheme of things. Again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought up there or you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But assuming you care about more so the general framework of things, then that's why you can't quite call the entire chart a train wreck. Now, if the price anytime over the next few days comes down to this level and then just crashes down and then goes down below $2, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were. And in fact, in this situation, that would basically make this a pump and dump where the price made an awesome move up and then all of a sudden goes right back to where it started. Once more, not saying that is what's going to happen, but just trying to explain why that 225 mark, definitely a very important level going forward. So yeah, we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, right now things are certainly looking pretty shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.